introduce the area, but right now, I'd like you to come to the podium. She's like a mother also to the evidence. Mrs. Musoni, can you please come to the stage?
Distinguished guests, my evidence, Vice Speaker, it's your day today. More yours than his. The Director of Comishana Africa, Mr. Hadlai Chichika, my Co-Director of Leadership Solutions, Mr. Nakachukwa Organization, the head of Blackstone Junior School, Mrs. Gadani, the deputy of Blackstone Junior School, Mrs. Nyamaharo, media, here present, Chinoi University of Technology, lecturers, Polytechnic students, Tloteda Jakarta, our visual artists, friends, ladies, and gentlemen, good afternoon. I would like to welcome you to this exhibition which is running under the theme After Seasons by Evidence Nyasha Chipika, the young man from Chinoi University of Technology, who is also a former student of Blackstone Junior School. Now, as I was thinking about today, I was reminded that the experts tell us that a child's character is founded in his infancy years. And that's why I demonstrate that the man that evidence is today, it is because of the great work of his mother and his father in the village in Wachika. And also the great work of this school on whose grounds we are standing. I have a lot of time and admiration for primary school teachers in general, because I tried to train as a primary school teacher and I couldn't finish it. It is demanding, but it is also exciting, particularly at the infant level, as they come in tears because they were not to leave home. So I want to thank you and acknowledge the great work that was put into making evidence the man he is today. But the reason I'm saying that is because I spent a full year with evidence, and it was such a pleasure. Although the work that he was doing was in a way divorced from his area of specialization, the transition, the transformation that went through him from the time that he raised us to the time that he left, I can say with confidence that among the artists that I have worked with, evidence easily takes the car. He was the best. And now I understand why he was the best. Because say he's a designer, isn't he? And he looks at things from a different angle to make life easier. And one day when your book is on the market, people are going to say, what is this evidence? Because his art just speaks for itself. So, with that experience and that exposure, I consider it a rare privilege to have spent a year with a young man who is going to go very far. A young man who one day you are going to say, wow. And for you that are here, you have the rare privilege to rub shoulders with him and see the beginning of his future. Amen. After seasons. So, for me, on a personal note, it is an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to be able to stand in front of you today on such an event, where this young man we are celebrating today showcases his talents through art and design. Through this event, we need to explore the mind of the artist and appreciate the talents which we witness today. Because art begins in the mind. In my various seasons as an artist of a different nation, when I see a table that is served with food in my mind, and I say this is good, I then go and create it so that I can appreciate it, because I believe that people eat first with their mind. And it is the same. When we look at his work today, let us explore his mind. Let us try to understand where he's coming from. Because spending time with him, I was always fascinated about his mind. He has put together a collection of artworks that represents the courses he has done in the 4 years he has made. Chiloé University of Technology is required by the university in partial fulfillment of the Bachelor of Science degree in Creative Arts and Industrial Design. This exhibition is also raising awareness to parents and all young people present here that you can do anything using your God-given talents as long as you put your mind and be willing to work like this young man has done. And also encourage all of you present to do what you love as well as love what you do. Our challenge as a nation is that we have a lot of people that are doing what they don't love, that don't love what they are doing. And now, before I came here, I was at a school, and I was talking to this one young lady who is burned out, and she's ready to throw in the towel. And there's nothing that I can say that would make her stay. There are a lot of people in those positions, in those situations. But what we need to do as individuals is to say, what is it that I love? What is it that God has planted in my mind, in my being? And when you find it, follow it. Follow it like it's the last thing that you can ever do. And you know what? Money will follow, because you'll be doing it with the best of your ability, with enthusiasm and with love. As we go around today, please feel free to ask our artists here any questions whatever you declare on these words you are about to see. Because sometimes you see it, but you don't see it. Really? You can see it, but don't see it. And when you think you are not seeing it, evidence will be here to help you open your eyes so that you see it. So it is indeed my great honor and privilege to declare this exhibition officially opened. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to After Seasons.
I'm sorry, I don't want to hear no comment. Welcome to my mind, coming to follow me, coming to follow me. This is my team. Thank you. So before we go into the gathering of evidence, I'd like to call Delcy to give us one last poem, then to enter more to the evidence.
A pleasant afternoon to you all. My name is Delcy Millard. I'm going to cite a poem entitled After Seasons. Sit back and dance with joy. If you always try your best, then you never have to try. If you summon all your talent, then you have all the power. If you always try your best, then you always have the power to do whatever you want. If your best is not enough, you have to try and say at the end of the day, I did everything I had to do.
Thank you so much. So I think now is the time for us to go and view the artworks. Our guests from Chinhoyi, Ms. Nsoti, go this way. Evidence will lead you. Then others can use that to
Touch. It's gonna be public anyway. You're gonna see it, right?
I want to see it.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. I love
I know. Today I'm in Ashburn. Yeah, no. You are yes. Please sing. I want to do the cake. That is nice. We go to
Oi,
The first one. Yeah. So beautiful.